It's not for the reasons you think. I know you're probably thinking, Gary, that's an asshole move. How could you do that? No, that is not why I broke up with her. I broke up with her because when I went to that men's basketball game with her, we had already had sex 5 or 6 times. Never heard her make that noise. I didn't know she had the ability to make that noise. Listen, the most I ever got out of her was, oh, oh, oh. But I thought it went really deep. I heard a, oh. I never got close to her. Listen, she's a sweet young lady. I had to let that butterfly fly.